Hi everyone, my name is Luca Christille and welcome to my course Manage Couchbase Lite. I'm a software developer and a member of the Couchbase Experts and Champions community. In this course, we are going to learn how to use Couchbase Lite and Sync Gateway as a solution to ensure availability, integrity, and security of your application data everywhere. Some of the major topics that we will cover include Couchbase Lite as NoSQL database for mobile and IoT devices, Synchronize data with Sync Gateway, mobile user authentication and authorization. By the end of this course, you'll know how to build a solution for sharing data between your data center and mobile applications or Internet of Things appliances with the tools the Couchbase ecosystem provides. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the JSON data format and basic JavaScript syntax. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Sync Gateway and Couchbase Lite with the Manage Couchbase Lite course at Pluralsight.